Testing outer loop. Outer loop is controlled by the right hand controller. So I rotate counterclockwise and the train goes the opposite direction. Clockwise and it goes this direction. Okay, now for the turnout, turn this one to the inner loop. Then check the condition of this one. It needs to go straight. And this one is going to switch to the outside. This one is got to take from the inside track to the outside. So now we are still in the outer loop, clockwise. And then let's rotate this one clockwise also. So they should be at the matched speed. And then once it enters the inner track, it's on the other controller. Now it's back on the outer controller, this one. So there we go. So now if I'm going to go in reverse this direction, I need to make sure that I also set this controller to the same volume level. So let's come back across and do the same transition from outside to in. There it goes. It's on the other controller now. And now it's going to come back to the outer controller, which was at a higher volume. So let's set the volumes back. Go counterclockwise. Go clockwise now. Now let's set the other controller. Throw this turnout. And there it goes to the inner track. Okay, now I've got to be conscious of this turnout. This one here. Make sure it's feeding. And there we go. Stay on the inner circle. And now I'm under control of this controller. I'm going counterclockwise, the train goes back the opposite direction. Okay, so now let's test a handoff right here. I'm going to take this one to the outer track. This one's still fed appropriately. Let's clockwise goes that way, counterclockwise comes this way. So let's go back to this controller, turn it to go counterclockwise as well, on a similar throttle as this guy. And there it goes to the outer loop. Seamless transition. Now if I want to stay on the outer loop, I've got to flip this to go straight. And this turnout also needs to go that way. There we go. Stay on the outside track. This layout is successful and operating without any issue.